Hello everyone, hope everyone is having an awesome day. Welcome to my channel. Thank you to my subscribers and all of you for stopping by. If you're not a subscriber, please feel free, like, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hit the bell notification for all upcoming videos. Leave a comment and share my videos. Let's dive right into the meat and potatoes. We all at some point in our lives, in our busy lives, including myself, tend to overlook, maybe not pay enough attention to others needing help. The smallest thing we can do for others could make a world of difference in their lives. I had the opportunity to visit the Philippines with my Filipino wife in 2018 and 2019 and had an awesome time with my wife's province and elsewhere. The Filipino people were very kind, welcoming, hospitable. I just knew I had to visit again. Then COVID-19 pandemic hit everywhere in 2020. And the Philippines was on lockdown, canceling our airline trip reservations for 2020. This put a big setback on the plans we had to help make a difference in the Philippines, starting in my wife's province. Disappointing, not knowing how we could proceed with our goals and plans, being locked out of the country. Finally, I came across a YouTuber's video vlog. Philly in the Philippines, good guy. I thank him for sharing that video to everyone. He is one of several foreigners living in the Philippines I've subscribed to, doing an amazing thing, helping others there. In that video was a story of a little girl named Bing Bing that they had taken in from another family member. The little girl said she had never had a hot dog, and hot dogs were for rich people. I was stunned with tears in my eyes, my jaw dropped, but my mouth stuck open with sadness to hear that coming from a child. That video bothered me for several months because I'm not rich, and a child should never be deprived of ever having the opportunity of enjoying eating a hot dog, nor being starved of any food. They are our leaders of the future. The statement by this little girl gave me more focus, direction, and commitment to proceed with our commitment and plans to helping others in the Philippines. Don't miss the next upcoming video of the start of what we did to make a difference. See you soon.